This is Motorola Moto G32, and today I would like to quickly show how you can confirm the authenticity of this device. So to start, you will need to launch settings, then enter the About Phone category and copy one of the IMEI numbers you have. Then open your web browser of choice, go for the IMEI.Info URL, then input, or rather paste, the IMEI number you have copied earlier into this input field. Then hit the check button. Prior to doing so, perform the CAPTCHA check. And as long as the information over here corresponds with whatever IMEI number you had at the settings, in our case that's Motorola G32, Moto G32, and everything else seems to be fine as well. So anyway, once those data corresponds, that means that you are indeed an owner of the original Motorola Moto G32. So that will be it for this video. Thanks for watching, and bye bye.